Today, we'll be making milk bread. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. To a pot, add in water and flour. We'll be making a quick bread starter. Over medium heat, stir continuously until this thickens up into a paste. After 3 minutes, your paste should look like this. Once you see lines, remove from heat, and we'll set this aside so that it can cool completely. To your bread machine or stand mixer, add in milk, our just made bread starter, and 1 egg. For our dry ingredients, add in 4 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, we'll also add whole wheat flour, sugar, salt, milk powder, and finally yeast. Now place into your bread machine or stand mixer and let it knead for 20 minutes. After about 5 minutes, when your dough begins to form, add in melted butter, and then let it continue kneading. After 20 minutes of kneading, let it rest for 1 hour until doubled in size. After 1 hour, we'll take out the dough onto our surface and flatten the dough. Remove all the excess air. Then divide your dough into 3 parts. Place your 3 doughs into a greased pan. Today I'm using a large 13x4 loaf pan. If you're using a smaller pan, you may be able to make 2 loaves. Cover and we'll let this rest for 45 minutes. You can see now that the dough has risen. Bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Once baked, let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. Then remove from the pan and let it cool completely. Then you're ready to slice and serve. Enjoy!